Hi there, I'd like to talk about the felt learning activity that I purchased at the dollar spot at Target to work on color sorting with my son. Now, when I first laid this out for my son, he had no problem finding the correct colors, but he did have a little bit of trouble actually putting the popsicle sticks into the color pouches. I saw him becoming frustrated, and sometimes when he becomes frustrated, he will give up on the activity altogether. So I stepped in to help him, but I figured there had to be a better way for him to play this activity independently. So I put some tissue paper in the bottom of the pouches, and he was able to do it all by himself.
What color is that?
He's still practicing fine motor skills, and when he can do this easily, I'll take the tissue paper out to make it a little bit more difficult.
Put it in there.
Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good job.